The AMS is a trap. It's why you'll never print single color again. The Bambu P1S Combo is the best-selling enclosed printer for a reason, but that multicolor AMS might be its sneakiest flaw. The P1S Combo delivers print speeds that genuinely shock. 500mm/s and 20,000mm/s superscript 2 acceleration are not marketing fluff. A benchy that took an hour on my old Ender 3 finished in 18 minutes, with quality that's 90% of a slower machine. The enclosed chamber is a game changer for ABS and ASA. No more warping or fumes filling my office. The carbon filter actually works, and I can print PETG and TPU without babysitting the first layer. Auto bed leveling is so reliable, it feels like cheating. I've run 40+ prints without a single manual level, and the first layer is consistently perfect, even after yanking the flex plate off between prints. Setup in 15 minutes is real. Out of the box, it's nearly assembled. You snap on the AMS, plug in 2 cables, and the printer calibrates itself. I was printing my first model before my coffee cooled. The AMS multicolor system is a creative unlock. Swapping filaments mid-print for a 4-color logo or a gradient is stupidly fun, and the 16-color potential, with 2 AMS units, is something no competitor at this price offers. Bambu's software ecosystem is the smoothest I've used. The MakerWorld app and Slicer are polished. I can send a print from my phone while on the couch, and the printer just goes. At $549, the P1S Combo is aggressively priced. A Prusa 4 Malawian Kwatches with an MMU3 will set you back $1,100 plus for similar multi-material capability, and the Bambu is faster and more enclosed out of the box. Here's what you get. Up to 16 colors. Bring your designs to life with vibrant multicolor/multi-material printing capabilities, perfect for showcasing your creativity. Note: connecting Bambu Lab AMS is required. 500mm/s and 20,000mm/s superscript 2 acceleration, true high speed. Don't wait around for your masterpieces. Lightning fast printing speed lets you focus on creating, not waiting. An enclosed design. Fully enclosed body improves print performance for advanced filaments. Automatic bed leveling. Say hello to high-quality, successful prints. Auto bed leveling makes 3D printing such an easy thing. The AMS is the catch. It uses a single filament path, so every color change purges a blob of waste. That 4-color logo I bragged about. It produced 23 grams of poop per print, nearly doubling filament cost and time. For functional parts, it's a hard pass. The closed ecosystem is a double-edged sword. You're locked into Bambu's Slicer and Cloud. No Octoprint, no Clipper, and the proprietary nozzles are pricey. If you like tinkering, this feels restrictive. The carbon filter is a joke for the price. It's a small, replaceable cartridge that needs swapping every few weeks if you print ABS regularly, and Bambu's official refills are overpriced. You're better off venting the chamber manually. No built-in camera or Wi-Fi SD card like the X1C. I had to rig a cheap USB camera to monitor prints remotely, which is a glaring omission for a printer this expensive. The 4.3-star rating on Amazon is telling. Some users report the AMS jamming on certain filaments, and Bambu's support is slow to respond. My unit has been fine, but the risk is real, and there's no local service center. The P1S Combo is the best value in 3D printing right now, if you want speed and multicolor out of the box. But the AMS waste and closed ecosystem are real trade-offs. Buy it for the speed, skip it if you hate filament waste or want to tinker. Grab the P1S Combo at the link below and tell me in the comments, does the AMS waste bother you?